Hello and welcome, it's Jilly speaking, or Jilly coming to you, blah, 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 whatever. I am going to use up, got a few colours here and I'll explain as I go along. I've got these 20 by 25 canvases. I have some white paint pre-mixed here. I'm going to actually literally just paint over the canvases first, just a light coat with this white. This is just my normal white acrylic paint mixed with my pouring medium. They're global paints, global acrylics. The link is in the drop down box, and to everything I'm using, the links are there. Also in my Amazon store if you're in the US. And Pixel Designs link, if you're in the US you can get the Aussie Floetrol and my Kiss Keep It Simple pouring medium, and you can get the global colours at Pixel Designs in the US and the Aussie Floetrol. So there you go. Rightio, these are the weird colours that I have left. I suppose I should put my gloves on. Good. I've got, this was a copper, but I'm pretty sure that I put either metallic gold in it or something. It's been mixed for quite a while, hence why I want to try and get rid of it. I could put it in an airtight container, it would last a long time. Now this was metallic rose, but I have sort of bunged in loads of other colours since then. So I'm going to, yeah, I don't need much of that. And then this was orange. Looks like a fluoro orange, but I cannot remember. Isn't that terrible? I cannot remember if it was. You kind of do like the shape of a butterfly wing, I guess. So maybe when I press them together, you might look a bit butterfly-ish. This was sand. I mean, it doesn't. It looks very yeah, sort of, I suppose it does look a sand colour when you put it on. So if you kind of do like the shape of a butterfly wing, I'm guessing, which I've done it before, it might come out. Now this is okay because I've used one of my containers to put the paint in that I've mixed. So this will keep for ages like this. That's my Samsung washing machine singing to you. This is my Berry Delicious. It's a custom colour of deep red, phthalo blue, and if you want it to go real dark, a blob of black. My goodness, I didn't realise how long that singing goes on my machine. I might just squirt a bit of white on there. And you can do it in any wiggly fashion you choose. And the thing is, when you're doing these dips, the very best dips come out from thicker paint, and these are quite thin. So I am not sure at all if I'll get a good result, but let's try. So I'm going to just pop that on top, like so. And then squidge it out. Just nice and easy. Just enjoy the process. And don't worry or stress about it. It is only paint. And mostly pouring medium actually. More so than paint when you do acrylic pouring. So just squidge it out. You can even turn it over so it transfers to the other side. If you're left with little holes where it hasn't got on the other canvas, I use my balloon on those, and that looks awesome too. So I'm going to turn it back now, and I hope and pray, because it's got that orange in it, that it hasn't gone muddy. There is a chance of it. Oh, holy. Dooley, look at that. Wow, kind of looks like a Indian headdress, doesn't it? Wow, 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 wow. That is gorgeous. So how easy it is for you to do at home if you've never even done a paint project before. That is so easy to do. Get yourselves a couple of canvases and literally kiss the canvases together, or dip a bit of heat. Colours look absolutely wonderful together, and I'm so glad that that orange didn't end up making it go muddy. That looks terrific. You can do this easy paint project with a child. They love doing this dip technique. I'm thinking my little 2.5-year-old, I might be able to get her to stand here with me and dip in the paint. They're non-toxic paints, so I'm not worried about the paint. But I suppose I'll give it a go. I love to add my trademark. You don't have to, but it's my trademark in using a balloon kiss. Just a few here and there, she says. I just love them. It kind of makes it look like a starry night. It certainly doesn't look like a butterfly now because it didn't leave any negative space for the shape around the edge, but it does look stunning, the results, I believe. And just add in a tiny few of my trademark balloon kisses. Easy peasy lemon squeezer. You must give it a go if you haven't painted before, because I tell you, you actually will. And then when you let that dry and you go and show the people that never seen how it was done, they'd think you were an awesome artist. So there you go. Just being silly today. It's one of those days. Rightio, my lovelies. Please stay safe. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. And if not, a helpline. There is always someone there to listen to you. And even better than that is do something that gives you joy. If it's going and getting a few canvases and a bit of paint, you can use poster paint. Cheap paint for this particular technique works just as well. You can garden, you can walk, anything to get you out of that dark spot. Been there and done that, and I know that, you know, self-help actually works as well. So please take care, my lovelies. Until tomorrow, bye for now.
Folded on the lawn chair in all the colors.